morning, everybody. I wanted to go ahead and go over Module 6 for the week with you guys. So this is going to be September 15th through 24th right here. And then we're going to go ahead and go over everything. If you have any questions as we go through, just shoot me an email, not a big deal. First thing is your checklist. Checklist is going to contain all of the things that you're expected to do for the week. You're going to reread Chapter 11, so it's the same chapter from last week. For each of the 4 objectives listed below, here you're going to go ahead and create one concrete classroom example that you can use in the classroom. Write a short explanation of how your example connects to the objective, and then save your examples for later because you're going to need them in the video reflection. Your problem set practice, that's going to include watching a guided video on addition and subtraction computation strategies, as well as downloading the Module 6 Check Your Understanding problem set. You're going to complete all 5 of the problems in there, showing you're thinking clearly. You're going to save your work for submission, and then the final assignment for this section, this module, is going to be recording a 3 to 4 minute video reflection that includes your 4 classroom examples with the concrete examples that you've used and explanations of how it connects to your strategies and the objectives. And then you're going to post that video. As well as give 2 peer responses, 4 to 5 sentences each, or you can do a 1 to 2 minute video response if you prefer. And then you're also going to post your 5 completed problems on the problem set solution. Additionally, you're going to continue working on that math journal. You should at this point have 2 problems done and be finishing your 3rd problem by the end of this module. The 4 problems are going to be due on the end of Module 8. And I can check those for you first. If you want to send me 1 or 2 of them for examples to make sure they're good, I can do that for you as well. And we'll go through them kind of individually if you have any questions. This is going to give a specific breakdown of what the expectation is for this module. These are the 4 objectives that I'm going to have you look for. And then you're going to write a fun and creative problem for your students that they would enjoy, or your potential students. Use something kids can relate to: sports, video games, favorite foods, anything like that. After writing the problem, explain how it connects to the objective and how it helps students understand the strategy. And then you're going to save those examples for that video reflection. I gave an example right down here of one of the objective types, so you can take a look at that to get an idea. The next one's going to be your problem set. You're going to download that right here with your Check Your Understanding. There's a guided video down here that kind of explains how to go about making sure you're doing these correctly. So as you go through, go ahead and work on that, and you'll have them at the same time, so it should hopefully help. Again, if you have questions, email me. And then you're going to go ahead and do your reflection and connection here. It's going to be a 3 to 4 minute video. If it's under or over, that can deduct points, so make sure it's within that 3 to 4 minute time frame. These are the 4 objectives that you're going to be looking at within the chapter 11, and then make sure you use the insert stuff video or button, and then you add the video note on there. That makes it a lot quicker and more effective. Instead of having to download a long video, students can actually review them, and they're showing up. Within this, you're also going to upload your 5 problems, and generally a PDF is good for those, or a Word file or images, so they're easy to see. And then 2 thoughtful peer responses. You can do 4 to 5 sentences or 1 to 2 minute videos. Highlight something that you learned from their post and connect it to your own teaching ideas. These should be thorough and thoughtful, so make sure you're doing that. And then finally, you're going to keep working on that math journal. You should, again, have 3 problems done by the end of this week. If you're not there, you're going to want to get caught up because it's going to be coming up shortly. Other than that, have a great day, and I hope everybody has a good day. And if you need anything, please reach out. Thanks.